Hello guys. So today we'll be creating our website chatbot. Here is the website chatbot. So this is what we'll be creating on today's tutorial. So yeah, as you can see, if I say hi, it will answer me according to what I gave it. You understand? So it will ask for my name. So I will put in my name. Then yeah, I mean, like, imagine having your own, creating your own chatbot like this. You understand? So yeah, you see, it says that I mentioned my name earlier. You understand? So yeah. So let's build this, guys. This is what we are building today. So let's build it. So we're going to build it using n8n. This is the structure of the bot. There's a prompting that I gave to the bot. So today we'll be using Postgres memory. And here is the Groq chat model. I'll show you how to build this in full. You understand? But we'll end and how to store your chats so that when that person comes back to the website, it remembers them. As you saw, it remember that okay, I gave it my name before. You understand? So yeah, let's start, guys. Let's start the tutorial. So to start with building, we are going to click on here and go to workflow, and let me save this one, then go to workflow. Then yeah, here's the new workflow, guys. So on the new workflow, we'll go to so yeah, guys, as we were creating the new workflow, here's the new workflow that we created. So we are going to name it website chatbot. Chatbot, yeah. So firstly, as you can see here, we retrieving the chat message. So here we'll click on this plus and select on this on chat message. If you don't see it, you can search for it. Then we are going to say make publicly available. Then you see for now it's hosted chat. You can when it's hosted chat, you can go take this URL and open it on the site. It's going to be functional. But we don't want hosted chat as we want it to be embedded chat. So you're going to select embedded chat and leave it as it is. After you select embedded chat, just leave it as it is. We'll come back to this one. Let's come here. Then let's click on the add sign again. Then we go to advanced AI. So on the advanced AI, we'll select the AI agent. Then this is our AI agent. So if you want to define below, you can define it below. But for us, we are going to leave it as it is with the chat input, JSON chat input. Then what you're going to do is to add a system message. So a system message is what is the prompt that you are going to give to this AI model to tell it maybe you're a helpful assistant or so in this case what I did with this one, as you can see, let me do this. So this prompt, it's about, I gave it a name, and after I told it everything about Digital Next Code. So Digital Next Code is my company where I list businesses and everything. And it's also a software company where we create websites, apps, and all those kind of a thing. But today is not about Digital Next Code, it's about this bot. So I told this bot about what is digital Next Code. So if a person comes and say they want the WordPress website, it's going to make a quotation for them, and it's going to ask them questions. So it's going to engage with them, ask them two questions. After it understands the person, then that's when it's going to give maybe a price or quotation or everything. You understand? So this prompt, if you want this prompt, it will be available. So yeah, I'll just copy this prompt as it is. So you can also write your own prompt. You can also write your own prompt the way you need your prompt to be. Then I'll come here. Then I'll paste it here. Then yeah, I've pasted it here. So yeah, this model that we are creating today is the basic format of a model. And that's because I can't take you to advanced stuff without me teaching you how to create basic stuff. So you have to start with basic stuff, then we'll go to advanced stuff where it can access your databases, it can pull data from your databases, but those are advanced. So right now we are doing an easy and simple model. So what's next is I'm going to select the chat model here. You can use where's that one? You can use one of these. You understand? So you can use Anthropic, Azure OpenAI chat model, DeepSeek, which is DeepSeek. You can also find it inside Groq model. You can also use your Google Gemini, whatever, or Llama, and your OpenAI chat model. You understand? This is the one of the famous ones, but because of on this channel, we are doing a free everything channel. So everything we'll be using here on this platform will be free. So you don't have to pay for anything that will be used here. So what you are going to do now is that you are going to select Groq. I already have a Groq channel. But let's say you don't have a Groq account. You can say come here, then open documents. Then after you open documents, you'll say create a Groq account. But on this doc format, it's going to show you and how you can get your API key. So if you want your Groq API key, you can just click on API key, then it will direct you to specifically where you need to get your API key. You understand? After you sign in, it will and go back to the document and click on where you create an API key. So you'll say generate a new key. Then after generating a new key, then yeah, after generating a new key, that's when you are going to it's going to be revealed. Because if I have my own key, I won't generate the new key. So yeah, let's continue, guys. So you'll upload your key here, then click on save. Once you click on save, it will say it will show you that your key has been registered successfully. So after the key has been registered, you can select one of the models. So currently, I don't want to use DeepSeek now because DeepSeek it has it has this error. Nyana. It's not a bigger error. If you want to use it, you can. But from on my side, it's showing that it's thinking and stuff. So I don't want to make this video long. So that thinking thing, I won't remove it. So that's why I'm using Llama 3.8b. You understand? So I'm using as Llama 3.8b. So, but you can use anyone. You can use anyone that you need. You understand? So currently I'm going to select Llama 3.290b parameters. Then for memory, I'm going to use the Postgres memory. So also I have a Postgres account, but if you don't have, then we can come here and how to create a Postgres account. So if you are you want your data to go to strictly your database, you can fill in your database information here. Your MySQL database information, you can fill them here. Maybe hosted using cPanel, or yeah, you can fill your information here. But for now, I'm going to show you this tutorial using what do we call what do we call that thing? Supabase. I'm going to use Supabase. So I'm going to say Supabase dashboard. So on this Supabase dashboard, after it loads, let's wait for it to load. So I'll say create new project. I'll put it on this organization. So I can't create anymore because I've overused my free account and stuff. But you can create as many as you can here. You understand? You can create as many as you can and on a pro account. But on a free account, you can create, like you say, minimum of 2 projects. On a free account, you can create minimum of 2 projects. So because of I already have a created project, but it's straightforward, guys. It's straightforward. Don't be shocked. And if you're having a problem, drop it in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. So after you have created your project, after you have created your project, you're going to go to project settings. Then on the project settings, you'll go to database. Then on the database, on the new Supabase, it has this connect thing. So you'll see connect. Then we are using this one called transaction pooler. So we're going to say view parameters. I'm going to select this as the host. So let me go back. Then let me do this so that I can show you how mine is working. So here's the host. Then here's the database. So you're going to select this database. You're going to select this port. So where you upload the port, you scroll down. Here's the port. Then you can enable SSL. Like if you're using your database, your MySQL and stuff, then you can enable SSL Yeah, but it will be up to you guys. It will be up to you. But for testing purposes, I won't enable any SSL or anything, so that it can be as smooth as sailing. Then after you uploaded this information and you click on save, it's going to say connection tested successfully. So after it says success, leave everything as it is. Like set up your everything as I set it up. Then come back here. As you can see, yeah, everything is good. You created your AI model, guys. So one thing that I will advise is that please take this, make this activated. Please make this activated so that it can work on your website. Because if you don't activate this, it don't work on your website. So I will test my chat here. I will just say, what is digital next code about? And let's see, guys. Let's see what our model is working. Like you can see where it was doing all the steps like right in front of your eyes, guys. You saw it retrieved the message. It went to the tools agent, then it grabbed that thing, then came here. Then it went to Postgres memory. Then after it went to Postgres memory, they will save here. They will save here. So, oh, there's one thing that I forgot to show you how to add these tables. But here's the chat. Here's the latest chat. It's not this one. I'm sure it's on the bottom. It's the last one. Yeah, it should be the last one. You understand? So, I'm going to quickly show you how you can add this chats and stuff. So what you're going to do is that you're going to I'm going to come here and say super base vector store. I'm going to select this one. Then as you can see, I already have a vector store, but if you don't have, you click on here and you'll say open documents. Then after you open the documents, you'll see here it is. You understand? So you are going to go here, API documentation, not API documentation, but is this thing still recording? Yeah, so guys, here is the document. Here's the document. I found it. So yeah, guys, I'll leave this code for you to take. So you have to take this SQL. You have to take this SQL, but you can copy it from here. If you don't have time to wait for it, you can copy it from here, code it from here, then upload it on Supabase. Upload it on Supabase. Let me show you where. Upload it here on SQL editor. Then you will upload it here. Then click on run CTRL. Then it will automatically create you these two tables. It will automatically create you these two tables. So as you can see, is the documents table and the match documents table. So yeah. Again, let me go back to where I was, guys. Let me go back to where I was. I was looking for it, to be honest with you guys. So yeah, so far your agent, it's done. It's connected to Postgres. And also this thing also works even if you are using MySQL, it will run. Even if you are using MySQL, it will also run. So yeah, guys. Then I'll click on save. Then right now we are going to our website that you created. So I'll go to this one because I created it. Then it's already there. As you can see, it's already there on the bottom, but I'll show you how to put it on your website. So on my website, it's I'm going to scroll down to I've uploaded this thing called snippets. If you need it, it's free on WordPress. You can go to WordPress and go to my snippets. So I've created a snippet. As you can see here, it's called Chatbot, but I'll create a new one. I'll set add new snippet. Then as you can see, by default it's PHP function. I'll make it content HTML. Then I'll select the last one where it says section in the footer. at the end of the body section in the footer. This is what I will select. Then I'll go back to our chatbot. And do documentation and click on here. When I click on here, it will take me to their documentations. So when it takes me to their documentations, I will scroll down. What I need is this. So I will copy this script. Then I will go back to my website and put it here, and I'll name it n8n bot. After I name it n8n bot, it needs a production webhook URL. So the production webhook URL is this one. So we'll take this one and we'll go back to our website and we will upload it here. So, and we'll click on save changes. So after I click on save changes, as you can see, it's not activated because I can activate two bots into one website. So I've already activated that one, but this one, after you click on save, click on activate. So it will activate, and whenever you visit your URL again, it will be showing on the bottom of the website here. It will be showing here. So here it is. As you can see, it says powered by n8n, because of when it was saying powered by n8n, it is because of this thing was deactivated. If this thing is deactivated, it will say powered by n8n, then you won't be able to type any message. So this thing have to be active at all time. Then let's say you want to run this fully. So what you'll do if you want to run this fully, you go to execution. So once you're in the execution mode, every time a person runs it, it's going to run successfully. You understand? Meaning sometimes it don't need you to come and make sure that so everything will run automatically once you are in the execution mode. But right now we are in the editor mode. And yeah, this is the end of the tutorial, guys. If you like it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll be releasing tutorials like this each and every single day. So just comment down below on what kind of a bot you would like to build. We can build the one, your AI agent that will be able to respond to your emails, to book you meetings. We can build any kind of a bot. So just comment down below on what kind of bot do you want to see next on the video. Then we'll create that bot for you. Thank you, guys.